Hi, today I'll show you how to make an interesting but easy techno beat on the model cycles just with 4 sequencer steps, like in my video a few weeks ago. Let's start from scratch. We turn the tempo to, let's say, 138 BPM, and we start by turning all steps or all track steps to 4. Okay, then we start with the kick. I tune it a bit lower. Okay, now the second important thing is the bass, and I often use an offbeat bass. In this example I use a preset, but it's basically the chord engine, but of course not a chord, it's a single tone, so you have to turn the chord color to 0. But of course you can use other bass presets or make your own, like me. So for example this one. Also very nice. And yeah, you can make every step a bass note. That sounds almost like psytrance, but you can use it for techno too. But in this case I would turn the velocity on the first step a bit lower to have a sidechain effect, and maybe on the second too. So here it's 75 and here it's 90. For this example I turned it to 15. Just the kick and bass sound very fat together. Now we are going to the heads, and for this one I use a preset from me, so it sounds like 909. But yeah, just the 4 steps alone sound very boring. So the first thing I do is change the decay. So the decay of 1, 2 and 4 should be a bit shorter than the third. Okay, that sounds better. Then I use a little bit delay with this 24 speed, so it's dotted 8th note. reverb. Okay. The fourth track I use for, let's just see, maybe a clap, but not just every 4 steps, but I change it to every 8 step. So this is a huge advantage of the model cycles. I explain it to you. So 2 / or divided 2 means that every second cycle, on every second cycle, you hear the sound. So when I turn it to 2 divided 4, then every second, every second cycle in a 4 cycle loop, you hear the clap. Okay, but now I turn it to every second cycle in a second cycle loop. I hope you know what I mean. When you have questions, just write me a comment. Okay. Okay, I tried a little bit the rhythm, and for me it sounds best when we have the second cycle in a 4 cycle loop. And I tried a little bit another percussive sound on the 3rd step, but for me it doesn't sound very good, so I will delete it. But that is a part of the try and error process. Okay, now we have the percussions. Let's hear it once again. Sounds very nice. Okay, and then the last one, we use a kind of melody. And like in the track 4, I just try and error, and you can see how I do it. So I just I just try a preset, and we will see. Okay, nice. So I used a percussive voice, but I changed the pitch. And on the first step, I turned the velocity down for the sidechain effect. And yeah, on the fourth step, I use a 3-cycle loop, and you hear the sound on the first cycle. And yeah, it's like a little bit polyrhythmic or polymetric, and that's very nice for techno. And maybe I'll try out a second melody, so for the build up or after the build up of the track. So yeah, I will just try it out. Okay, let's get to the next part, and that is the arrangement. So I will improvise and make a whole track of it. Okay, that was the first try with this idea. I hope you collected a few ideas how to make an interesting techno track just using 4 steps on the model cycles. It's also helpful for other devices or for Ableton. So let's limit yourself on 4 tracks, on 4 steps, sorry. And yeah, then see you next time. Bye.